Hi, welcome to the Healthy Habits Cooking Show. I'm Ford from Epic Charter Schools. We have a special guest cooking with us today, Marsha Martin with the Family Engagement Department. Marsha, tell us about yourself and what you do with Epic.
Well, like you said, I am new to the Family Engagement Department and I am the Healthy Habits Specialist. So part of my job is to be here with Ford and help him come up with some fantastic recipes that are easy and healthy that you can make at home. We're gonna have a fantastic season of cooking together, Ford, and I'm excited about that. I've got a lot of recipes that we're gonna look at. I've also got some special guest co-hosts that I'm not gonna reveal to you just yet, but you're gonna be excited about those. And I think all of our viewers will be excited who we have on the show later this year.
That's great. Thanks for joining. Let's get started with today's recipe, beef stew. Beef stew is a great meal for the whole family to enjoy. For this recipe, all the ingredients we need are 1 pound of stew meat, 4 chopped carrots, 4 peeled and diced potatoes, 1 14.5-ounce can of stewed tomatoes, 1 packet of stew seasoning, and water. We'll also need a crock pot to prepare the dish. Let's get started. The first step is to sear our stew meat. For time's sake, we've already done that and put the meat in the crock pot. Now let's add the rest of our ingredients into a crock pot. Okay, so let's get the potatoes, right?
Yeah, well, let's start with peeling the carrots.
First. That's it.
There you
Force
go.
on it.
Yep, put some force into it. Okay, and then we're gonna chop that up into bite-sized pieces. Okay, add those pieces in with this.
I'm gonna take that one out. Okay, let's just put all of these in the bowl.
We'll add this to our stew meat, and you can start peeling a potato.
Okay.
Great job.
Same way I cut the carrots.
Yep, kind of do like that. And then we're gonna take each of these.
Let's take it. It looks
that
like
into fours.
It looks like a banana almost, but like.
Okay, and then add those in with these.
Yeah, close enough. Won't make too much of a difference.
Perfect.
These are.
We're gonna add these to the carrots and the stew meat. And then if you wanna add in a can of diced tomatoes. And then I'm gonna add in a package of stew meat. Now you can also add, at my house, we like to add in a can of green beans, sometimes a can of corn.
That sounds really good.
So you can add or take away as much as you like. Then we're gonna add the water.
Make sure we cover up all of the ingredients.
Cover all the ingredients with the water. And we've got a lid in here.
Magical lid.
All right, cover it.
With our ingredients in the pot, let's go ahead and let it cook for 4 to 6 hours on high. Wow, doesn't it look great? Beef stew is a well-rounded meal, perfect for a family dinner. Try it next time you're wanting an easy and hearty meal.